All right, so we're gonna do a quick follow-up to this one here that I did. I'm not turning this into a series, I promise. Um, uh, Maybe. No, I won't. I won't. Okay, so real quick, just showing. I've changed this one back to 1,000 times, just so you know I'm not cheating. But someone mentioned doing a pure CPP actor, so let me get rid of the log real quick. Let me show you what I did. So I've got my PureCPPTest.h file and then my CPP file. This is for the actor. So I had to have a bunch of includes to get this running, but basically what I've got is um, kind of all the variables, right? I've got my cube, my collision box, the inventory item that will set, the start seconds, start milliseconds, end milliseconds, or sorry, end seconds, end milliseconds, and then I've got my function. So getting into the CPP file, again, I've got kind of all my includes, got my actor, and I've got the cube, I've got I don't know where it is, uh, setting the variables to 0. So we show this. I'll open it up in the map and show you what I've done. I've got my begin overlap. I'm calling the super on begin play, super on the tick. So I mean, I actually got some validation checks in this one. I think on here, at the very bottom, I think. Yeah, I didn't have any validation checks for that file, but on this one I am, right? So I'm gonna validate the player controller, validate the inventory manager. Here I'm running my simple loop. So again, in this loop, I'm just calling the add function and then the remove function. And then I'm going ahead and getting the seconds again. Getting the seconds up here. Yeah, so I'm getting the seconds up here. Getting the seconds again. Calculating the difference. And then I'm just printing to the screen, right? I tried to make everything the same. So I've got that 120 seconds doing the same red and then printing out the message. So with a pure CPP actor, I guess we'll take a look at the difference this time. All right, so that was it. Not super scientific, I guess, but definitely different results from the first one. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments.